Good morning, everyone. So today is going to be a slight more busier day, and I like it when it's slight more busy because Sundays are always busy around church time and in the afternoon when everybody's trying to travel around. So it might be a real busy day. So I'm gonna try uploading as many videos as possible. But this day is going to be taking calls from my buddy that I'm working with, because he won't be able to do any calls himself, so he's sending me all his calls for me to take care of. And so as I'm taking care of these calls, everything's going to be good, as long as I satisfy every customer that he's got. But anyways, the call that he gave me is going to be a 2016 black Toyota Camry. Person has a flat tire. Maybe it needs the tire patch, or it might need the spare tire on the vehicle. So we'll see what we got. Let me go ahead and get to this customer, and we'll see you guys there. Welcome. That's probably that. Alright, so this is the car. Waiting for the customer. Alright, go ahead and get set up. I don't know if it's like a nail, or maybe the tire got shredded. Looks like a really rough tire. Wait for this customer.
But I can't get it out.
You can't get it out? I can get it out. Yeah.
It's under here, but it's like screw. I look like you have a screw in it or something.
Yeah, they usually have that.
I can hold it up for you.
Yeah, hold this up for me. Oh yeah. See if I can. Come on. Got all those spare tires. Get around it. There you go. Do you know if you have like a nail in the tire or something?
I have no idea too hard. I just know it's on the ground.
Okay. I can definitely take a look at it. If it can be patched, I can get it patched.
Okay.
Place to go. Right there. I love some of these cars, they hide the points where you can jack up the car. Yeah, that's a screw. Other than that, I don't see any other problem with the tire, but I can get that patched. So let me get that patched for you. Right there. I need my there it is. Okay. Let me grab this. It'll help leave it up some. There's another text. I think my buddy just texted me. Oops. Made a little mess. There we go. Yeah. Where'd my pliers go? I put my pliers back. Where did my pliers go? I don't know if I put it back. Oh, yeah, I did. There. Where's my other blade? There it is. There we go. Alright. A little bit of heat on it. Alright. Now I can just wipe my tools down. And this one takes 44, but I'm gonna have to fill it up at 38. Yeah, wait for that. Yeah, I got another one. Yeah, I passed the tire. It should be good to go. I don't need the spare tire, so I could put it back in the back. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Reverse procedure. Alright. There you go. Probably don't have to worry about the screw. No leaks. All right. Uh-oh. You're gonna love it when you can't reach me. Alright, you're good to go. You're welcome. All I need is the mileage of the vehicle and you're good to go. Put that there. Put that back up in here. I'll leave that there. This here. I'm surprised that itty bitty screw actually punctured through. It was a screw that big, or that long. Went right through.
It's 130. Yeah, so the picture you just made.
Yeah, I'll just write it down.
596.
596? 130, 596. Alright. You're welcome. You have a great morning. Will do. Alright. On to the next call. Alright, so I got her back on the road, got her tire patched. I like it when you can patch the tires and everything, get the tires filled up, send the customers back on their way. But anyways, I'm going to try getting to this next customer. She is up on the side of the interstate, southbound. Need a tire change, I think. I think it's a tire change. So I'm gonna get to this customer and help her out. And the next one is gonna be a 2012 white Honda Civic. Too bad they don't say which tire. But I'm gonna get to this customer and I'll see you guys there for 2-for-1 special, or maybe 3-for-1. I don't know. We'll see. So hang tight with me, guys, and we'll get to this next customer. Alright. This is kind of sketchy. Yeah, how's it going? You got that spare tire in the back? That's my buddy over there. I'm gonna check the tire pressure and I'll get it changed out. Good enough. Come on now. Alright, y'all, I don't know how much recording I had on that second call that I have, but I am backed up on 2 more tire change calls, or tire service calls. So I'm making my way to another tire service call, and it is going to be a 2016 black Ford Fusion, saying flat tire, which is the front passenger side tire that's flat. Maybe it's got a nail in it, or maybe it just needs to be changed out. So we'll just check that out, and we'll see what's going on with that one and get that customer back up on the road, and then go on to the next call. So let's go ahead and take care of this customer. I'm gonna try seeing how much I have on that last recording, if it's not already in there. But we'll see how far I got on that one tire change call, and let's see where we go from there. So let's get to this customer and see what we got. Let me get Let me get some pictures. Not a good spot. Oh, there you are. Hello. That tire doesn't look healthy at all. Alright. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, I was dealing with someone on the interstate, but they told me they were southbound I-75 by Hartley Bridge. I was like, let me see if I can find this person. And by the time I found the person, they were on the left side of the highway, not on the right. So I had to sit there and spend an extra 10 minutes trying to circle around. Yeah, let me test the tire pressure and get that thing changed out. I need to get out of my car. Check it with this. Yeah, it's low. Yeah, it's completely messed up. And it's a good thing you got roadside assistance, right? We're contracted, but I'm working with my buddy right now, and he can't take any calls at this very moment, so he's giving me all the calls.
Okay. So basically y'all like that call transfer to you.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. And wait for this spare tire to fill up, and then I'll put it on. Alright, sounds good. Hey. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, at least the inside part is not that bad. Yeah, it's got 2 spots. One big one here and another one right here. Hey. Gotta love it, right? Get this on. Ooh. There we go. I got one more picture. And what's the mileage on the vehicle? All right. Alright, so I got her back on the road. Let's try getting to the next customer. And so let me get to this next customer, and it is going to be another tire change. So let's get to this customer, see what we got from there. So let's see what's going on with this one. It is going to be a white Mitsubishi Lancer 2016 model. So we'll see what we got. There's it right there. Alright. Well, here, I'll just do this. Since I'm gonna be... How's it going? Alright, you got the spare tire? Alright. You know if you got a nail in it or something? Don't know. Yeah, I could get the tire off before getting the spare tire out. I'm going to look at it. If it can be repaired, I can repair it. Lock. Awesome. Wrong way. Don't want to go. There you go. That one's on there tight.
Yeah, that was stripped.
That's the one stripped?
I believe so. That was the one that's stripped?
Which one?
No, that's the key, the lock key.
It ain't stripped. It's the key that's on the child back that's stripped. It's this.
Nah, I mean that nut is tight though. I can't. Yeah, I can get that. Stay on there. Yeah, this thing is stripped. Maybe that'll hold.
It'll little hole going to
Nope.
the right, and you try to take it to the left, that's when it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can break it off. Let's see here. Oh, let's see.
That's what my dad said.
So let me see if I can find. This is a 19. So I'm gonna try finding something that I could bang on it so I can strip it out. And I have. All right, where's my hammer? Hammer. Oh, hammer's right there. Let's see. Yeah, that's not gonna grab it. This is 19. I'm trying to find my 20. Is it hiding? $22, $18, $15, $20 is not on here. That's not cool. Oh, jeez. Hey man, I'm at the one in Bonaire. They have a lock key nut that is stripped out, and I can't get it off. I don't have the tool. They're at Dollar General. Yeah, Byron, not Bonaire. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Bye. Let's see. Trying to think, because that thing is stripped out. I called my buddy that called me out to come over here. If I can go to the store, I can get a new key. That's if the store has it. If they don't, my buddy, he's got the tool to get that out, and he'll let your insurance company know that it's going to be later on, unless y'all want to get it towed or something. Cause yeah, this thing is completely stripped out. I mean, this looks pretty good. It's just this does not. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I got the wheel lock and everything. It's the wheel lock, what do you call it? The key for the wheel lock is stripped out. Yeah. But it looks like the wheel lock nut is fine, but it's just the key itself. So I can go by the auto parts store and get a key if they got a matching key, and then I can come right back. Okay. Okay. Alright. So I got only one option from here, because they're going to contact the parent and let him know about the situation. But they said that I can run by the store, but the customer has to pay for the key. Yeah, I think they run like $30-$40 or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, where's my 21? Did I put my 21 back in here? Get that right there. 21's in here. There goes my 17. I gotta get me another 17. Yes, sir. All right. Okay, sounds good. I'll let them know out here. All right, bye. Alright. Oh, man. Alright, so I just got off the phone. My buddy, it'll take him 45 minutes to get over here.
You said what?
My buddy, he said he's going to be over here in about 45 minutes to help get that nut off because he's got the tool.
Gotcha.
You're welcome. Sorry that I couldn't help you out, but here's that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh, man, that sucks. I couldn't get this person on the road, but I have another call that came in for another tire service, so let's go ahead and get to that customer and see what we got. And this one's going to be don't know what kind of vehicle, but we'll figure it out when we get there. So let's get over to that next customer. Alright guys, so that's the end of the spree for tire changes. That last call actually did cancel on me. So I'm gonna go get to a battery jump call. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tire change spree that I had going on. And as always, please leave a like, comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, suggestions, concerns, and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a great day, and God bless.